there enough here? Yeah, who's short? 3 minutes. And that's it. Is that everybody? Oh. Okay. You got team here. It's fine. Team is going to do crazy. Okay. So we all got numbers, and in a nutshell, what we're going to be doing shortly is connecting a whole stage together from FOH to backstage. Yes, with different devices. So I need your guys' help, so I can't do it myself. I am literally going to be running your networks for you. You guys are going to be telling me what networks need to be run from where to where. So everybody will have numbers. So let's start off with number 1. Where is number 1? Yes? I need your participation here. Okay, guys, that's not going to work. We need a ha. Alright, so number 1. What is number 1?
Luminex FOH.
Luminex FOH. Right, so think about this. We're just going to be creating FOH somewhere, and backstage, and in between, we've got all these different things. Yes? Cool. So, where's number 2?
Luminex backstage 2.
Okay, so what do we do between the two? We connect the two, right? Because remember, they're the brains between the two, right? FOH, backstage, right? I'm going to show it to you. I'm not going to show you the game, but if I'm going to give you a little bit of what we're trying to create, let's do that. Maybe that will help. There was it, switches. Let's do somewhere here. Somewhere here. Let's see.
It's one up.
One up? No. Yeah, something like that. This is not the game. This is the idea, right? So at some point we are here at FOH, and we're going to need to get to backstage. And at backstage there are numerous other aspects and devices that we need to connect to. Right? So we all see FOH Luminex, backstage Luminex. Right? Stick imaginary line here. That's how it generally gets done. Okay? So between 1 and 2, what do we need to do between the two?
Run 2 lines.
We need to what?
Run 2 lines.
Run 2 lines. I like your thinking. Somebody said one line. You suck. Because why? Why do we run 2 lines? Fantastic. And your scissor is what it says. Okay, let's do this. So, go for it. And I think go there. And then I'll cut you this side. Okay? And what do we do? Run another one.
Yeah.
Just pull it. Just pull it. Until you can't pull no more. It didn't come out right, didn't it? There's a bunch of guys here. So. Okay, hold the second piece. Cool. Alright, so what do we have there? We have a switch. Right, a connection. Cool. Where's number 3? Anybody?
ETC sensor 3 and 4.
No, where's number 3?
ETC,
Yes?
GIO, stroke TI3.
Okay, so that's a GI, that's actually that desk. Actually. So it's a lighting desk. The ETC GO or TI is a lighting desk. Right? We know that a lighting desk can send what protocols?
Alternate.
And?
DMX.
No? MAX. What? Never.
Streaming ACN.
Streaming ACN. Alright, so for example, MA can do ArtNet and MANet. ETC can do ArtNet and streaming ACN. So most lighting desks can do ArtNet and its own version of it. Streaming ACN is not unique to ETC. ETC used to call it ETC net, but it's actually streaming ACN. They've actually even now publicly broadcasted that it is streaming ACN. Cool, so from this, where do we go? To the?
Luminex 1.
Which Luminex one?
FOH.
FOH. And what are we going to be sending? Let's choose one for now. ArtNet, okay, cool. Let's do that. So let's find our geo. Yes. Cool. And we are going to go where to? Oh, you're going to hold a lot, my brother. You're that guy today. You're the network guy. Alright. Cool. Alright, so where's number 4?
3 and 4, yeah. ETC sensor.
ETC sensor. Yes?
From connecting port 3 and 4.
So what is an ETC sensor rack? If you don't know, an NPU, remember I spoke MA earlier, right? It's the same philosophy. A sensor 3 rack is just a dimmer. It's a dimmer that's on the network. So theatrical theater devices, market theater, artscape, those kind of platforms, they have this dimmer they don't connect DMX to the dimmer, they connect a Cat5 network and the dimmer outputs DMX. Alright, so number 4 is going to be connecting what? So this is actually not ArtNet, guys, because ETC only talks what network? I just said it like a minute ago.
SACN.
Thank you, streaming ACN. So this network, because we found out that number 4 is the sensor 3 rack, we need to go into the sensor 3 rack from which switch?
Stage rack.
From the stage switch.
Stage switch.
Yes. Guys,
Well,
follow
it depends
me.
where are your demos? Are your demos at
They're
front of house?
backstage. No, they're
Okay.
backstage. Your demos are backstage. Okay. Sorry, backstage. Okay, everything. Okay, not everything. Backstage. Let's leave it at backstage. Yeah, we're going backstage. Okay, cool. So that's gonna go to where? Where is our sensor 3?
Here.
Cool. Right, so this is basically lighting. We're just doing lighting at this point in time. So far, the lighting desk is going through the network, through, let's call it the sensor 3 rack. Just imagine. Take yours. You know. So this is a sensor 3. So it's going, think. Yes? So far so good. And just so that you're aware, the EC sensor rack controls the dimming channels of the light fixtures. Okay? It's a dimmer. It's a very, very nice dimmer. Cool. Number 5.
ETC's gateway.
Alright, so what is a gateway?
More in Durban.
Okay, we're gonna start learning today. We're gonna learn some more stuff than just networking. The ETC gateway is from its ability to actually take network and give you DMX. Now you might say, but isn't that the sensor 3? It's this. Basically. It's this one. Right? It's the node. It's ETC's version of a node. It's ETC's brand of a node. But generally we put this in theater, so we're going to go network into each bar. Each bar gets a node, and we output the bar's node. So it can go straight from the Luminex switch in there, or it can even go from the sensor 3 rack to the gateway. You guys choose. What would you like? Because it's the same thing, remember? Lighting desk, streaming ACN goes out into the network via, it can either go to the sensor 3 rack and then go, because over the network, or it can go straight to the node. What do you guys want?
Straight.
Let's go to the rack.
Because it's just
Go to the rack, okay, cool. It's all on the network. The sensor 3 rack can do that. It's a demo that's actually on the network. That's why it's very lekker as well.
Can't we go from the switch to
redundancy.
the
What? The demo.
The sensor 3 rack.
It does if you run 2 lines. Okay, cool. It's so sensor 3, and then where's the gateway? So we're gonna run from here to there. We could go from there, from the backstage Luminex, or we could just go. Yeah. Happy. All right. And then what's number 5? Oh, that's number 6.
moving light.
A moving light. Where's our first moving light? Are you okay? You're a moving light. No, I think you must stand up and you must.
Stop the movement.
Okay. What is the from there? What signal are we gonna be sending?
DMX.
Yes. Good. All right.
Because this is South Africa.
Let's choose another color.
There's no
I'm just gonna
money
give you
for
this
other
color.
cables.
It's close. All right. But this is DMX. It's not the network. It's just DMX.
Okay. DMX is yellow. Yellow, but you know. Good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so far so good. So we're all following this pathway. Lighting desk, into switch, into backstage, into the dummers, from the dummers into its node, from a node into its lights.
Yeah.
Ooh, this damn screen. Okay, cool. So far so good, right?
Yeah.
What's the next number? The next number should
7.
be
Another
7.
DMX.
Yes.
Yes, another DMX mode. Node.
And what is that called?
DMX node.
Okay, so that's just a generic